Hello everyone, welcome to Teluguone Fashion. I'm your host Kritika Sharma, and this weekend I've decided to pamper myself, and I'm here at Nail Lashes Road number 4 Banjara Hills. I'm now going to get my hair treatment done, some wonderful hair spa and a wonderful hair setting. Let's go for it. And I have Ruby with me, who's going to take care of my hair spa session. Now that we are going for a hair spa, Krishika, please enlighten us with what exactly is a hair spa and why do we get it done?
Okay, so Kritika, the hair spa is basically a deep, rich, nourishing treatment for your hair that's done for strengthening and repairing and rebuilding your hair structure.
Right. So I see that we started off with a hair wash. So what was that? Hair wash and
See
conditioning?
what happens when we wash your hair, then there's a product applied on the hair. With the help of the product, they do a scalp massage.
Okay.
So that helps basically to strengthen your hair and scalp.
Okay. So now just wanted to know, how do you take care of hair, because our hair needs different type of care routine in different seasons, right?
Kritika, I'll tell you something, okay? So I also have worked with a cosmetologist who does a lot of HT. HT treatments is hair transplant. Okay. So a lot of people come to me and they ask, what can be done, Krishika, when we have a lot of dandruff in the hair,
Right.
when we have a lot of oil secretion in the hair, when we have a lot of dryness in the hair. See, there are a lot of reasons that these things happen. Could be also pollution, could be also season, could be also taking care of how probably a plant requires water and food to grow. Your hair also does the same thing. So I always suggest the client to so maybe not every day, but at least apply oil twice a week. Okay, before you take head bath, because I wouldn't suggest my clients to take head bath every day, because that basically gets a lot of dandruff in your hair, because washing your hair every day and not drying up properly will lead to a lot of dandruff.
Dandruff is a reason for the season also. Like some people in the winter season, they suffer more.
Yes. So I get clients during winter, also during the summer. I keep getting clients where the skin becomes very itchy. Finally, they end up getting blood, because they're peeling the skin. So finally, we always ask the client to come for hair spas.
Okay, so does it help?
It helps a lot. Trust me, including it helped me also a lot. I just got my hair spa done 3 days back. I had a lot of dandruff. See what happens, again you have different times. See what a lot of people say, why do we need to go to salons to get things done? Why can't we do it at home?
Right.
You can do it at home, but for getting 100% result, you have to come to a salon. How you will go to a doctor? The same thing. So when you see, the reason why we say get a hair spa done is A lot of people go for hair coloring, a lot of people do keratins, Botox, a lot of other treatments to straighten your hair. So the chemicals used basically tend to damage your hair for a longer time. Okay, so when you do a hair spa is basically strengthening your hair, conditioning your hair, nourishing your hair, which is very, very important.
So are there different types of hair spas?
Yes, Kritika, you have different kinds of hair spas. So especially you have hair spa for dandruff, anti-dandruff treatment, you have for frizzy hair, you have for oily scalp, you have for conditioning. So you have different types of hair spas. Hair spa is usually done for anti-dandruff treatment, frizzy hair, which has super oily scalp. So basically it cleanses your scalp. But when we talk about people who have wavy hairs and all that, that's a different treatment.
Okay.
Totally, completely, where you do Botox, you do keratin, you do different treatments for that.
But all of that is also chemicals, right?
All of that is also chemicals.
Okay, Krishika, so I just now had a wonderful hair massage. So now this is steam, right?
Yes, this is steam.
So how does this help?
So basically steam is given to open your cuticle, the hair cuticle. And also see, when the product is applied, when the steam is done, it penetrates inside your skin.
Okay.
The product. So basically steam is given for that.
Okay, it's for the product to absorb in the scalp.
Absorb in the scalp, and also for the hydrating of your skin.
Okay. So how often, like I have a dry scalp, so how often should I get a hair spa?
See, a dry scalp would definitely need between 3 to 4 weeks. Every 3 to 4 weeks you need to get a hair spa done once.
Okay.
And somebody who has very frizzy hair and other kind of hair, they should do every 2 to 4 weeks.
Okay. Also about hair coloring, what do you say? Like how often is it good?
It depends upon the individual, Kritika, if they are happy with the hair coloring. But definitely hair coloring does not give you a permanent solution for a longer run. Neither it helps in any kind of growth with your hair.
So what about these products like ammonia free and all these things?
So it's basically less damage. See, any color would definitely damage your hair, okay? But when you use ammonia free products, it has little less damage to your hair for a longer run, and it does not have a stronger smell. So when you go to a salon, okay, and you have a lot of these products when you're doing, in fact, when you're doing Botox, you're doing keratin, you're doing hair color, there's a lot of smell.
Yeah.
So ammonia free products does not have smell, and it causes less damage to your hair.
Okay. And now what do you have to say about the natural procedures like henna that our older generations used to use?
See what happens, I think that's one of the best products, because even that has been used since our generations from our grandmother. I have been using henna on my hair also. See, what happens is basically when we talk about winter season, there's a lot of dryness, there's a lot of dandruff in your hair.
Right.
And I always suggest to, oil your hair at least twice a week. Then definitely keep it for an hour. If you don't want to keep it for more than time, go for a hair wash. Probably, but keep it for some time.
And what type of hairstyle or like the heat treatment causes the least damage?
The only thing I would say is everything has their own
pros and cons.
Pros and cons. When you talk about the Botox, I have a lot of people asking me for the same thing, though we don't do Botox here. I have a lot of people asking me for a hair Botox thing. Krishika, does it have? See, initially what happens, that also requires a lot of maintenance. Do everything, Botox, keratin treatments or color treatments, because with color treatments you need to use a lot of hair color shampoos.
Yeah, right.
Correct?
Right.
That's again expensive thing. One more thing. But with Botox, see, Botox is basically, it strengthens your hair, but if you're not taking care of your hair properly, it damages. Because I had somebody who got the hair Botox done, and so again it has different kind of shampoos. You can't wash with your normal shampoos, correct?
Right.
And she didn't use a normal shampoo, and her hair got very frizzy the third day.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So basically, when you are getting all this thing done, it is a responsibility of a person, her hairstylist, to explain you about everything. What kind of a treatment is needed, why is it needed, what kind of products could be used, pros and cons, before and after treatment. All these is needed now.
Okay, Krishika, tell me what should be the ideal temperature of water when we go for a hair wash?
So the ideal temperature should be moderate, not too hot, not too cold.
Okay, Krishika, so I noticed that after the steam, the hair wash is actually with cold water.
Yes.
Yes. And what is the possible reason for
See,
that?
the reason why we give the hair wash with cold water is basically to closes the pores which has been cuticles, which has been opened during the massage and everything. And it also gives you shine when the entire procedure is done. Okay. At the end, it gives you shine when you washed with the cold water.
Hey everyone, do you see the softness and shine in my hair? Well, all this is because of the wonderful hair spa that I got done at Nail Lashes at road number 4, Banjara Hills. Thank you so much, Krishika. I feel wonderful and truly pampered.
Thank you so much, Kritika, for being here and giving us the opportunity to. You are pretty, so making you look more pretty. Thank you so much.